Hello friends, welcome to my channel Enjoy Life. FYGC first merit list is about to be released. Student registration part 1 filling will be stopped till August 30. At the beginning for regular round 2, after September 3, part 1 and part 2 can be updated and filled. Minority and management quota admissions can be done during regular rounds. You can read the timetable from time to time. The provisional merit list was released from 23rd August to 25th August. Submission of objection or correction request against the merit list was done through grievance redressal module in student login. Online resolution of objections or correction request by concerned Deputy Director of Education was addressed. Now it's time for the merit list. The Junior College Allocation FYGC first merit list for Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, Nagpur, Amravati and Aurangabad is to be released on 30th August at 3 pm. The display of allotted junior college for admission and student login can be seen on the official website 11thadmission.org.in. Display of allotted students list in concerned college login. The SMS will be sent to students. Display of FYGC cut-off list will also be there. From 31st August to 3rd September, you can proceed for admission, online confirmation of admission in the allotted junior college. You can also reject or cancel the admission. Quota admission process also continues for management and minority. Surrender of management quota seats will be done in this time frame. Students who have been allotted the first preference, it is compulsory to take admission in the allotted junior college. If such student fail to take admissions, they will be blocked for further regular rounds and will be considered during special round only. If a student wishes to cancel his or her admission confirmed in the first regular round, can request concerned junior college for this and get the admission cancelled. Such students who have cancelled their admissions will be restricted for further regular rounds and will be considered during special rounds only. All students who have confirmed their admission in any junior college through centralized admission round or through any quota admission process would not be allowed in any further round 2. Junior colleges will be permitted to surrender the vacant seats as per the admission schedules and or instructions given from time to time. Merit list second would be declared after 3rd September. The dates have not been finalized yet. We wish all the students best of luck for the FYGC first merit list. Hope you get the college of your choice. Friends, all this information is also available on our website, for which the link is given in the description box of this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit like as well as share it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe as it is free and click on the bell icon to get updates. Thanks.